Chapter 6. Simple Machines. Students could learn about the different types of simple machines, how they work, and how they can be used to make work easier. Simple machines are devices that make work easier by reducing the force needed to move an object or by changing the direction of the force. There are 6 types of simple machines. Lever. A lever is a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point called a fulcrum. Levers are used to lift heavy objects with less effort. Examples include seesaws, crowbars, and scissors. Wheel and axle. A wheel and axle consists of a wheel attached to a smaller axle. This simple machine is used to move heavy loads with less effort. Examples include wheels on cars and bicycles, and doorknobs. Pulley. A pulley is a grooved wheel with a rope or cable running through it. Pulleys are used to lift heavy objects with less effort. Examples include flagpoles, cranes, and elevators. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface that allows objects to be moved up or down with less force. Examples include ramps and stairs. Wedge. A wedge is a triangular-shaped object used to split, lift, or hold objects in place. Examples include knives, axes, and doorstops. Screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. Screws are used to hold objects together or to lift objects with less effort. Examples include bolts, screws, and jar lids. By using simple machines, we can reduce the amount of effort needed to move objects. For example, using a lever to lift a heavy object requires less force than lifting it by hand. Similarly, using a wheel and axle to move a heavy load is easier than dragging it along the ground. Simple machines are used in everyday life, from opening jars with a screw to using ramps for wheelchairs or strollers. Understanding the principles of simple machines can also be useful in designing more complex machines and mechanical systems.